Hello students, I am Pushparaj Gupta, Assistant Professor of Basic Science Department from Oriental College of Technology, Bhopal. I am going to present a presentation on topic test of series, test number 5 D'Alembert's ratio test. If summation un is positive term series such that limit n tends to infinity un upon un plus 1 equal to L, then the series is convergent if L is greater than 1 and the series is divergent if L is less than 1 and the test is failed when L equal to 1. Come to next text T6 test number 6 Rabi's test. This is also called higher ratio test. If summation un is positive term series such that limit n tends to infinity n in bracket un upon un plus 1 minus 1 equal to L, then the series is convergent if L is greater than 1, the series is divergent if L is less than 1, test is failed when L equal to 1. The above test should be applied only in those cases in which D'Alembert ratio test is failed. Come to problems. Problems number 5. Test the convergence of the series x upon 1 into 2 plus x square upon 2 into 3 plus x cube upon 3 into 4 plus x4 upon 4 into 5 plus dash 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 where x is greater than 0. Solution. Suppose un be nth term of the series, then un will be x to the power n upon n into n plus 1, and in place of n we put n plus 1 in un, we have un plus 1, that is un plus 1 equal to x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 into n plus 2. Apply D'Alembert test. This is limit n tends to infinity un upon un plus 1 equal to limit n tends to infinity. This is value of un and un plus 1 also. Simplify this, we have limit n tends to infinity n plus 2 upon n into 1 by x. When we divide n in numerator and denominator also, we have limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 2 by n upon 1 into 1 by x. When we apply n tends to infinity, this will become 1 by x. From the D'Alembert test, we conclude that summation un given series is convergent if 1 upon x is greater than 1, that is x is less than 1, divergent if 1 upon x is less than 1, that is x is greater than 1, and test is failed when 1 upon x equal to 1 or x equal to 1. Then by comparison test, we have un is 1 upon n plus 1. Consider Vn equal to 1 upon n square and apply comparison test. As we know that this is limit n tends to infinity un upon Vn equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 upon n plus 1 into n square upon 1. Divide numerator and denominator both by n square. We have 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon n. When we take limit n tends to infinity, this will become 1. Here in summation Vn, we note that summation Vn equal to summation 1 upon n square and p is 2 here, which is greater than 1. Clearly we know that if p is greater than 1, then the series is convergent. Hence here the series is convergent. Then by comparison test, summation un is also convergent when x equal to 1. Thus the series is convergent when x is less than or equal to 1 and divergent when x is greater than 1. Come to next problem. Test the convergence of the series 1 plus 3 upon 7 into x plus 3 into 6 x square upon 7 into 2 plus 3 6 9 x cube upon 7 10 13 x cube plus dash dash dash. Suppose un be nth term of the series, neglecting first term because it is not contain x, that is un equal to 3 6 9 12 dash 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 3n upon 7 10 13 16 dash 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 3n plus 4 into x to the power n. This is un, and un plus 1 will be 3 6 9 10 3n into 3n plus 3 into x to the power n plus 1, 7 10 13 16 3n plus 4 into 3n plus 7. When we apply comparison test, limit n when we apply D'Alembert test, limit n tends to infinity, un upon un plus 1 equal to limit n tends to infinity, this is un and this is un plus 1. Simplify these terms. We have limit n tends to infinity 3n plus 7 upon 3n plus 3 into 1 by x. When we divide n, both numerator and denominator, we have 3 plus 7 by n upon 3 plus 3 by n into 1 by x, and when we will take n tends to infinity, this is 1 by x. From the D'Alembert ratio test, we conclude that the given series summation un is convergent if 1 upon x is greater than 1, that is x is less than 1, divergent if 1 upon x is less than 1 or x is greater than 1. Test fail when 1 upon x equal to 1, that is x equal to 1. Then we have un upon un plus 1 is 3n plus 7 upon 3n plus 3. This is when we put x equal to 1. Now we apply Rabi test here. Limit n tends to infinity n un upon un plus 1 minus 1, that is limit n tends to infinity, put the value of un upon un plus 1 here, and we have the term limit n tends to infinity 4n upon 3n plus 3, and when we divide n both numerator and denominator, we have 4 by 3, and because n tends to infinity here, that is 4 by 3 which is greater than 1. The given series is convergent when x equal to 1, the series is convergent when x is less than or equal to 1, and divergent when x is greater than 1. Improve yourself. These are the problems, students. You have to do this problem by yourself. In first question, un is also given n upon n plus 1, and second question 1 upon 1 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 into 5 and so on. The general term will be un is 1 upon 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. In third question, general term will be n upon n plus 1 to the power 3, and in fourth question un is also given. So students, solve yourself these problems. Thank you for listening this lecture.